Alright, you better go get this vacuum. This vacuum is kind of shitty, so you're gonna get this fat ass vacuum from this girl.
Loud ass vacuum.
This girl I met on Tinder yesterday. She said she floor one.
Can't get over there. Can you get over there? I'll keep it over. You get the door.
Oh, they opened it right there. Hey, can you hold that? Here we go, here we go. I might sweet talk a little bit. You know, I'm on Tinder. What's up, what's up? How you doing?
Good.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like, it's really small.
That's literally the vacuum I have.
This is literally like, let me see it. Damn. Wow, I appreciate it.
I'm dead.
You know what I'm saying? Still drinking and shit.
But anyway, we better use this. Hopefully it's loud enough, it's kinda loud. I mean, teacher still should be
upset.
She still should be upset, try to keep
Still
it
say
down.
something.
So now we just walked in for nothing. So let's go. Do you need your room vacuum by any chance? No? Okay.
Oh, these right here.
These?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are the ones, right here. If any of one of y'all had one of these, you know when you open it, they got hella crumbs in the bag. So you better get these. What's up? Y'all need your room vacuum? No? Huh? Can I vacuum your room? Like, can that be payment or no? But like, alright. What's up, y'all? Quincy, by the way, you know that. Alright, what's up, y'all? So, what's up? Alright, I'm black with another video. Quincy, by the way, you know that. Today I got these granola bars. What's up? Nah, these are the ones that have the crumbs on them. You open these, the crumbs come out. They do that. You open these, they got the crumbs out. So what I'm gonna do is walk to that class right here. Once I go in there, I'm gonna open this joint. It's gonna fall. I'm gonna come back and clean it up with this vacuum. Little eating in class prank. Yeah.
This, down this. You can see that.
Bro, every damn time, bro.
"12 seconds later."
Sorry, I'm trying to be a janitor. I have an internship. They say clean up after yourself, so. These crumbs are kind of huge, so I might just leave them. You got a trash can? Huh?
You can do that. You good, man. I have to get going. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
What?
I have to get going.
I'm just trying to clean up my mess, though.
No, you're good. You can put it in there.
But like, I'm trying to be a janitor.
You told me what?
I'm trying to be a janitor. Like, I got an internship, so like, they say clean up after yourself, so.
Yeah, but this is my class time.
Yeah, but like, I made the mess. I just want to clean it up.
Are you in this class?
You know what? Like,
You in this class?
if I can't clean up my mess, I think I'm gonna just go. Like, honestly.
This is funny. This is funny. I don't know what this guy's doing.
Yeah, but you're taking video in this class.
Yeah, because this guy's a fool. Look what he's doing. This guy's a fool.
It's no problem, bro. I'm just gonna drop out. Like, if I can't clean, I'm just gonna drop out.
No, you're okay. What's the name?
Matter of fact, I'm taking my vacuum too.
I saw you.
I'm sorry for the crumbs. Like, I try to clean it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
That man calling